want to get off the subscription offer to get to the test. Oh no. The upshot? Oh, might be on there. Dialect quiz? Jen, hola, ole. Oh, it's Olegario tonight. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Olegario. Is that true? All right, Christopher has no time to waste. Hi, Vanessa. Wow. Sure. All right. Well, happy Thursday. Bill Taylor, KENS 5 Digital Center. We're trying to line up the dialect quiz for tonight. Thank you, my man. But then I can take it on here as well?
Well, I have the sub, so I don't have to deal with the paywall.
Right, but I can take it on here and not mess up. You already took it, or what have you?
Yeah.
Going to take the dialect quiz.
I don't think you'll
While I get this all ready, I want to show you what we saw today. Some pretty good rain finally. I mean, good for what we need, you know what I'm saying? And we need a lot more, yes, but we need every drop right now. Every single drop, and today could not have been more of a day that we needed it because we've seen the worsening drought condition that we've seen in a long time. How would you address a group of 2 or more people? You guys. Absolutely. What do you call a big road on which you drive relatively fast? A highway. See, but I've been here in the South for a long time. But I can see, like, I'm supposed to say Parkway from Jersey. Do you pronounce cot or caught the same? No, cot is what you sleep on. Caught, different. What do you call the small freshwater lobster often found in lakes and streams? A small freshwater lobster found in lakes and streams are crawdads. What do you call a large motor vehicle used to carry freight? Tractor trailer. These are fun. So this will just be, I mean, we really thin this out tomorrow. So let me just show you what future looks like, because overnight, we didn't even see the storms we were hoping to see out to the west. So there was a bit of an impulse, an upper level shortwave that was hoping to generate some late night storms out to the west. But instead they came together south of us. Look at that. It's over Pleasanton. I was in Pleasanton today, by the way. Pleasanton Primary School. So let's get in here tight and take a look at a more recent, or last few frames. That's a really healthy downpour. So we'll go to lightning, make sure that's on, and see if we're getting any lightning in this bad boy. Oh yeah, we got a good thunderstorm. Got a lot of lightning. Look at that. So it's just kind of leaking up into southern Bexar County. So it's over, well, Brawning Lake right now, but probably going to clip Calaveras Lake, but covering a good portion of Atascosa County. Look at that. Good thunderstorm here. Non-severe, just going to be some thunder, lightning, maybe some gusty winds. And it's moving pretty quick. That's moving at about 35, maybe 40 miles per hour to the east and northeast. It holds together for Floresville. It probably grows a little south. It looks like south of Campbellton, down 281. That's going to definitely affect Karnes City and Kennedy. So that's some healthy rain. Because this shortwave, what we thought, or what I should say we, but the computer model was indicating that this would happen northwest. Didn't call for San Antonio to get anything until tomorrow morning. So let's see if any of the models pick this up. First stop, so that we can see what we've got moving forward. This is the HER? Yeah, this is the HER. I want to take a look at the IBM and the NAM. What else is happening? Atkins getting good. All right, Beverly. Love it. China Grove, Angelica. I think you stay dry till morning. Crazy thunder and lightning for Erica and Jordanton. But how about the winds? Are the winds gusty too, Erica, if you don't mind? Oligato is going to tell us what tomorrow. Universal City, what's up, Matt in the UC? Muggy and gross, wish it would just rain. Right, Penelope? I mean, if we're going to put up, especially, it's always that nuisance rain, that's when I say it too. There's Zane. What's going on in New Braunfels, Zane? Good to see you, buddy. Probably not, Grace. This thunderstorm is going to say to our south. I'm not impressed with how the HRRR is not even showing that storm at all. Showing a pretty dry radar picture. IBM. IBM, same thing. Let's see what the NAM. NAM's got all the rain northwest. Excuse me. As the shot, or at least the prediction was early on, that this would materialize northwest, Rock Springs, over to Kerrville, but instead it came together to the south. So nobody's got a handle on this right now. Show you what the IBM thinks tomorrow morning. Nothing. Oh, wait. That's going to be Saturday. There's some rain right there as the front comes through. It develops east. So we've got a front that comes through tomorrow. It's going to be a dangerous weather day in the plains. Just clipping North Texas, but mostly Arkansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, all in the bullseye for a severe weather outbreak tomorrow. And it's the same front that's going to move through here and generate the showers you see here on the IBM. Let's see what the, at least the NAM's got some rain on it, right? So I think we can put a little more confidence in that than anything else. And yeah, it does not put much rain together along the front. Tonight's rain's gone, 2 a.m. There's a residual shower or two up until about 4. There's 5:30. That's about it. And then look at the highs tomorrow. Computer's consistently going 93, 94 tomorrow. Probably not Sylvia. Maybe a sprinkle overnight and into tomorrow morning, but then that's it. And it looks like I-35 will be the last, and I'm saying Austin, San Marcos, on the line that develops north. That'll be as far south as it gets, probably San Marcos or New Braunfels. And it would be light, as you can see here. It's not expected to be much at all. San Angelo's windy. Hi, Vanessa. Crazy lightning in Pleasanton. Yeah, I was at Pleasanton Primary today. Had a great time with the kids there. Thunder and lightning in China Grove right now. Is that right? Is that right? Oh, David, I timed out here. I got to get back on. Okay, south of, yeah, I guess south of you right there. Thank you, brother. South of you is where you're getting that thunder and lightning. You're probably hearing that thunder, but it's not. It's over Elmendorf, and you're getting light rain there in China Grove. Floresville. Hi, Heather. Yeah, coming in from the west. Again, nothing severe. You're just going to definitely hear some thunder and see this lightning as it comes through. Lightning is a bit on the big side, don't you think? Scale that down a little bit. All right. David, it did it again, darn it. I got to put my finger on it. I'm so sorry to interrupt you again. So what I can see the answers I'm supposed to give for New Jersey. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you can
like I
call
should
it
have
out
said
perfect.
Parkway if I
You gotta
wanted
be
to
honest.
answer Jersey, but I'm being honest. I call it a highway. I've lived here almost 30 years.
Yeah, I never called it.
What do you call the small gray bug that curls up into a ball? Roly-poly. And that's not even an option.
Oh yeah, it is.
Roly-poly? Roll-up bug.
No, roly-poly's not.
Roly-poly is not an option. Oh, there it is. Thanks, David. Don't go far. How do you pronounce the first syllable of lawyer? Loy. Boy. Yeah. What do you call a traffic situation in which several roads meet in a circle? Roundabout. How do you pronounce crayon? Crayon, yeah. It's 2 syllables. How do you pronounce bean? Well, I've been with the vowel and C, with the vowel and set. Bin. Sit. What do you call the large wildcat native to the Americas? A mountain lion. What do you call the areas of grass between the side? Median. Berm, parking. Grass between the sidewalk and the road. I don't know that I've ever had a word for that. Yeah, I don't.
Matching up exactly.
I have no word for that. What do you call something that's across both streets from you at the intersection?
Two California cities in Fresno.
Catty corner.
Reno?
Reno, Oceanside.
Is he taking
What do you call the area? You have the grass in the middle of some streets. That's the, I call it a median.
Stop by my desk and let me know what your results are.
What do you call a traffic jam caused by drivers slowing down? Rubbernecking. What do you call the night before? Goosey night.
Repurpose the article we did on the AirTag thing.
Night before Halloween, Goosey night. So this is a dialect test from the New York Times, by the way, that we're taking.
We did the King's 5 State.
Supposed to determine where you're from.
Is that when I put it in?
How do you pronounce the words Mary, Mary, and Mary? All three pronounce the same. No, all three pronounce differently. Absolutely. What do you call a sweetened carbonated beverage? Soda. Because I remember when I moved south and I said I'd like a medium Coke. They were like, "What kind?" I've never heard that question in my life. What do you mean, what kind? I just said a Coke. No, you want a Sprite? You want orange? What kind of Coke you want?
In the Midwest, it was all soda pop all the time. I've never said soda.
Soda pop? Yeah, I've never said that either. What would you call a sale of unwanted items on your porch or in your yard? A garage sale. Yeah. How do you pronounce caramel? Caramel. Caramel. 3. How do you pronounce ant? Like ant, yeah, not aunt. What do you call an easy high school or college class?
This one's weird to me.
Crypt, gut, bird. I've never. Meat, blow off. I would say blow off. What do you call the long sandwich that's sub? What do you call the sweet spread that is put on a frosting or icing? Frosting. No, icing. Ooh, that's tough. What do I call that? Yeah, both. I've really called it both. What do you call the small road parallel to the highway? Access. Okay. Newark, Patterson. Patterson's my hometown.
Bill got his hometown.
I got my hometown. My hometown, Patterson, New Jersey. It said Newark or Patterson. I mean, it also said St. Louis and Springfield, but I got Newark and Patterson on here, man. That's really cool. It's not even my phone. So talk about objective. That's completely objective. That's incredible. Look, Aunt Bun's on. Aunt Bun, how do you like that? My aunt's on watching. Aunt was one of the questions, Aunt Bun. Isn't that cool? And I swear to you, it came up Patterson, New Jersey, and / Newark, New Jersey, or St. Louis or Springfield. That's really awesome. Spot on. Dialect test, New York Times. Thanks so much, David. All right, so the last of any rain comes in tomorrow morning. So that's why I think, again, slight chance. Right, Aunt Bon? I'm telling you, a Patterson boy, true blue. I want you to do this. Where's the link? Yeah. So she can go to New York Times online.
I'll put the link in the Facebook chat.
David Lynch, everybody. Digital Ninja. And congratulations on your recent promotion here at Ken's 5. You're a great part of this team, a great asset to us. I'm not even lying. He really, literally was promoted to the executive producer of editorial content for our digital platform. And that's an awesome, so blessings on that next chapter, David. But yeah, he's going to put a link in this Facebook thread for that. So you guys can go do that and see if it's accurate based on what you call things, how you pronounce things, as you just saw. So really cool test. So again, crossing I-37, this storm will hold together, but it will not be severe. I think a little gusty wind, but some good heavy rain. Eric is seeing some good rain, and that is bueno. Because Eric, sorry. All right, so yes, Danielle says congrats. Good evening from David. David with HEB. Hey, I'm going to be able to say that. My youngest just got her first job, HEB. I'm so proud of her. She's going to start, well, she has orientation next week. But yeah, she got her very first job and she's working at HEB. There it is. Thanks, David. It's under the Ken's 5 handle there. And you can take the dialect test. I was almost going to say derelict test. Dialect. Remember, what was it? Zoolander. Derelict. Rhode Island, what's up, Jody? You got to take the test. See if it shows up Rhode Island, that you should be in Rhode Island. No, Nathaniel, we'll stay dry. I mean, I think overnight a pass and go sprinkle, like what you see around Pearsall. Dew point's definitely high enough. This will all reach the surface. We're very, very moist. And so because of that, in fact, it's like every layer of the atmosphere. Our dew points are close to 70, mid and upper levels. Let me show you. Just walloped with Pacific moisture, Pacific warm air. This also helps create a bit of a cap, but not too much the case tonight as we're seeing that thunderstorm to the south. If the cap was strong, we wouldn't even see that. But notice that big stream. Look at that. Huge Pacific moisture stream right on top of us. And this is all starting to move east because we've got a front that's going to be pushing everything off. And by tomorrow, we see some good clearing and see some significant sunshine tomorrow afternoon. It'll be a really nice day tomorrow. Really looking forward to it too. I need some sun in my life. Need some sun in my life. So here's what tomorrow's going to look like. We start cloudy early, and it's in the computer, right, Gene? They're like, trying to figure it out. 90 should be the high. We should stop at 77, and we're going to go to 90. Our normal high will be at 11 a.m., and so we're going to pass that right up once that sun comes out. Winds are southwest. West-southwest is a dry, hot wind. And so dew points will drop tomorrow. And let's see, probably not going to be too high over the weekend. Let's take a look at humidity. Yeah, it comes back quick. In fact, it looks like some good rain chances are waiting for us next week. We've got a few days of some, boy, you talk about much needed rain. Today's drought report was no lie. Let me show you what that looked like. We really need rain, guys. So Bexar County, this was the update shows that almost all of Bexar County is under exceptional drought. There's no worse category of drought. We've got a sliver of the east and southeast Bexar County that's in severe or extreme. All of Comal, all of Kendall, all of Bandera, almost all of Kerr, half of Medina counties, and almost all of Bexar now. Exceptional drought. And this is the largest, worst drought area in all of Texas right now. But this is the good news. As I show you that, let's go to the best news yet. And this is a good soaking rain, most of which is falling tonight to our south, okay? And you see that we've got this good rain falling south and southeast. And if you look at the scale at the top, we're pushing 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 inches of rain from eastern Wilson County through Gonzales and out east to Hallettsville. So this is good. San Antonio 1/2 inch, and even into the eastern part, the part that is not under exceptional drought is where we expect maybe up to 1 inch of rain. So I wish we could kind of flip that, right, and get the rain where we really need it, which is really San Antonio and northward. So like I said, we get some chances next week for sure, but the bottom line is we're going to get some rain tonight. Those totals will be pretty good down to our south. All right, 7-day forecast, 90 tomorrow. Nice cooler air behind this front on Saturday and Sunday. The mornings will be fabulous. Saturday morning is going to feel really good. 56 to 82. And then maybe some late rain Sunday. Our next system comes through with a slight chance into late Sunday night. And then look at the heat. 95 to 96 waiting for us on Monday and Tuesday. 20 degrees above average. Whew. You know, I got tired of saying heat wave because this is yet another one. 5 degrees above average for 5 days. So Friday, Saturday, barely. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. This is a heat wave. This is literally a heat wave. Right on it. Well, because we go 6, 7. All 7 days are at least 5 degrees above average. Praying for rain. Amen. Thank you, Diane. Hey, Max, good to see you. Unbelievable. Yeah, y'all take the dialect test. It's not too long. 25 questions. Easy questions. A lot of fun for you and the family. See where everybody's from. All right, guys, it's going to wrap it up. Got to go get ready for the 10 p.m. newscast. Hope you can join us. the big story tonight, what do you guys think? Is it Whataburger or Waterburger? Whataburger or Waterburger? Whataburger or Whataburger? You decide. We've got a speech therapist that weighs in, Hannah T to talk to some patrons, and me and Nate. Go to my Facebook page. You'll see a really funny promo we did for it. It's really fun. I love y'all. I hope to see you at 10 for the answer. Whataburger or Waterburger? Take care, guys. Love you.